Grabe. Una, in-acknowledge niya si God, diba?
It's just, first of all, I just have to thank God for carrying me every step of the way. I give you all the glory.
Grabe, Lord, thank you talaga. Nanalo si Miss Nicole Scherzinger. Pangalawa, in-acknowledge niya yung Hawaiian roots niya, yung Ukrainian roots niya, and yung Filipino roots niya, diba? It feels so good to be represented.
For making this little Hawaiian, Ukrainian, Filipino girl's dream come true. So proud to represent.
Tapos nanalo rin si Darren Criss, diba? For lead actor in a musical. And for this to happen to her, she deserves it all. Diba? Pinapakitan parang even if she came from humble beginnings, diba? Nangarap siya, pinagtrabahuhan niya. And the good thing is, kahit ano pang ikinasuccess niya, ikinataas ni Miss Nicole Scherzinger, marunong siyang tumingin sa kanyang pinanggalingan. And you know what? She always also said na she could always do everything because of her faith in God. Sana matuto tayo sa kanya.